The UK Supreme Court today ruled that the definition of a woman is to be based in biological sex, following similar moves to ones we've seen in the US, and this is obviously something deeply concerning to trans people and their allies. Now, I've got a bunch of trans, gender non-conforming and non-binary people in my life who are very dear to me, and I myself technically identify as gender non-conforming. But I can see a path, and it's really not a very long path at all, between where we are now and an imagined future in which my rights and privileges are under attack as well. Now, I don't say this because I want to draw the attention today onto me, but to make the point about the inherent ridiculousness and, more importantly, the inherent danger in the thinking that's led us to today. I don't understand how the women who are celebrating today can't see that by pegging the definition of a woman, which is a gender construct, down to a biological essentialist reason, that you are narrowing the definition of a woman in ways that feminism has always fought against. Any definition based on biology is going to fail at the edges of biology. And if you begin to define things based on biology, we begin to make some really unpleasant associations between womanhood and childbearing and fertility and roles. We also begin to, it's very easy to see how we're policing gender presentation in this thinking. And I can't understand why any woman would celebrate a move which further collapses the definition of what they can be in their lives, what their daughters can be in their lives if they have them. It seems deeply self-defeating. And I weep not just for my trans siblings, but for the dangerous precedent this sets in how society is going to think about the roles of the people within it and the rights and the dignities of the people within it. This is not a day to celebrate. This is a day to stand side by side with trans people, because trans rights are human rights.